Today's lesson is going to completely change the way you answer difficult questions in English. Most English learners understand grammar. Many learners know vocabulary. But when a real question comes, their mind goes blank. Not because they don't know English, but because they don't know how to organize answers. In this lesson, you will learn how to answer difficult questions naturally, clearly, and confidently. We will focus on 4 powerful questions. What are your weaknesses? Why are you learning English? What makes you happy? What is your biggest challenge? But we will not just learn answers. We will build speaking skills step by step. You will hear multiple answer styles. Simple answers, intermediate answers, advanced answers, natural daily conversation answers. You will also practice speaking with repetition. So listen carefully and try to repeat each sentence after you hear it. Let's begin. Section 1. How to think before answering questions. Before answering any difficult question, you need a simple structure. Do not rush. Do not translate word by word. Do not try to be perfect. Use this thinking pattern. First, understand the question. Second, choose a simple idea. Third, add a reason or example. Fourth, end clearly. This structure works for all speaking situations. Now let's practice thinking. If someone asks you a question, your brain should not panic. Instead, think, what is the simplest answer I can give? Not the most complex answer. Not the perfect English answer. Just the clearest answer. Now we move to the first question. Question 1. What are your weaknesses? This question is very common in interviews and conversations. Many learners make mistakes here. They either say, I have no weakness. This sounds unnatural. Or they say, I have many weaknesses and I am very bad at everything. This sounds too negative. The best answer is balanced. You show a weakness, but you also show improvement. Let's build your answer step by step. Simple answer 1. I sometimes feel nervous when speaking English. Repeat after this sentence. I sometimes feel nervous when speaking English. Now add improvement. But I am practicing every day. Full answer. I sometimes feel nervous when speaking English, but I am practicing every day. Simple answer 2. I have difficulty remembering new vocabulary. Repeat. I have difficulty remembering new vocabulary. Add improvement. But I review words every day. Full answer. I have difficulty remembering new vocabulary, but I review words every day. Intermediate answers. Now let's make your answers longer and more natural. Example. One of my weaknesses is that I sometimes speak too fast when I am nervous. Because of this, people may not understand me clearly. So I'm trying to slow down and speak more clearly. Repeat. One of my weaknesses is that I sometimes speak too fast when I am nervous. Continue. So I'm trying to slow down and speak more clearly. Another example. I used to feel shy when speaking English in public. I was afraid of making mistakes. But now I try to speak even when I'm not fully confident. Repeat. I used to feel shy when speaking English in public. Continue. But now I try to speak even when I'm not fully confident. Advanced answers. Now, let's make your English more natural and impressive. One area I am working on is my confidence in speaking English spontaneously. I sometimes need a few seconds to organize my thoughts, but I am improving by practicing daily conversations and speaking without preparation. Repeat. One area I am working on is my confidence in speaking English spontaneously. Continue. I am improving by practicing daily conversations and speaking without preparation. Practice section. Now answer this question out loud. What is your weakness in English speaking? Try this structure. I sometimes, but I am improving by. Say it slowly. Say it clearly. Say it again. Question 2. Why are you learning English? This question is about motivation. Your answer should be clear and personal. Let's start simple. Simple answers. I'm learning English because it is useful. Repeat. I'm learning English because it is useful. Add detail. It helps me communicate with people. Full answer. I'm learning English because it is useful. It helps me communicate with people. Another example. I am learning English for my job. Repeat. I am learning English for my job. Add detail. It helps me improve my career opportunities. Full answer. I'm learning English for my job. It helps me improve my career opportunities. Intermediate answers. I'm learning English because I want to improve my communication skills. English is an international language, and it allows me to connect with people from different countries. Repeat. I am learning English because I want to improve my communication skills. Continue. It allows me to connect with people from different countries. Another example. I am learning English because I enjoy understanding global content like movies, videos, and educational materials. It makes learning more enjoyable and meaningful for me. Repeat. I enjoy understanding global content like movies, videos, and educational materials. Advanced answers. I am learning English because it plays an important role in both academic and professional development. It gives me access to global knowledge, international communication, and better opportunities for growth. Repeat. It gives me access to global knowledge, international communication, and better opportunities for growth. Practice section. Now answer. Why are you learning English? Use this structure. I'm learning English because. Speak slowly. Repeat twice. Question 3. What makes you happy? This is a personal question. There is no correct or incorrect answer, but your answer should sound natural. Simple answers. Spending time with my family makes me happy. Repeat. Spending time with my family makes me happy. I feel happy when I achieve my goals. Repeat. I feel happy when I achieve my goals. Intermediate answers. I feel happy when I achieve small goals in my daily life. Even small progress gives me motivation to continue improving myself. Repeat. Even small progress gives me motivation to continue improving myself. I feel happy when I learn something new. Learning gives me energy and confidence to grow every day. Repeat. Learning gives me energy and confidence to grow every day. Advanced answers. What makes me happy is continuous improvement. I enjoy seeing progress in my skills, especially when I overcome challenges that were difficult before. Repeat. I enjoy seeing progress in my skills. Practice section. Now answer. What makes you happy? Use. I feel happy when. Say it naturally. Question 4. What is your biggest challenge? This question is about struggle and growth. Do not give a negative answer only. Always show improvement. Simple answers. My biggest challenge is speaking English fluently. Repeat. My biggest challenge is speaking English fluently. Add. But I practice every day. Full answer. My biggest challenge is speaking English fluently, but I practice every day. Intermediate answers. My biggest challenge is managing my time effectively. Sometimes I have many tasks, and it becomes difficult to focus on everything. But I am learning how to plan better. Repeat. I'm learning how to plan better. Advanced answers. One of my biggest challenges is expressing my thoughts quickly in English. I understand many ideas, but sometimes I need time to form correct sentences. However, I am improving by practicing speaking daily and thinking in English. Repeat. I am improving by practicing speaking daily and thinking in English. Practice section. Now answer. What is your biggest challenge? Use. My biggest challenge is, but I am working on it by. Section. How to sound natural in answers. Now, let's improve your speaking style. Do not memorize answers word by word. Instead, use patterns. I think. For me, I feel. One thing I notice is, I'm trying to. These phrases make your English sound natural. Section. Common mistakes. Many learners make these mistakes. They translate from their language. They use very long sentences. They try to use difficult words. They forget to finish their answer clearly. Fix these mistakes by using short sentences, speaking slowly, thinking in simple English, ending your answer clearly. Section. Final practice loop. Now you will practice all 4 questions again. Answer slowly. What are your weaknesses? Why are you learning English? What makes you happy? What is your biggest challenge? Use simple English. Do not stop speaking. Even if you make mistakes, continue. Final motivation section. English is not about perfection. English is about communication. You do not need perfect grammar. You need clear ideas. Every time you practice speaking, you improve. Every time you try again, you become stronger. Keep practicing these questions daily. and slowly, your English will become natural.